Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be switching out a faucet. Super easy. Clear out underneath your sink. Turn off your supplies. Okay. Always check. Make sure. Okay. And now you're going to take a wrench. Okay, there's going to be some residual water in the line. So put a towel down or a bucket, up to you. And first you're going to remove that nut and that nut, because it's going to make it a lot easier when we have to go way up back here. Okay, this is off. So is this one. Now, there was no water that came out. If there was, of course, dry that area, because you're going to have to lay down there. Grab your tools so you have them within reach. Okay, these are the two nuts right here that you're going to take off. And you're also, I don't know what happened here. You can take that off. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew this, and then, because this is the little drain plug, and that's your cold and hot. The lines have been removed. Now you can take this off. This is what holds the faucet to the counter. It should be only slightly tighter than hand tight. I think somebody torqued on this, so be careful. It's plastic. Counterclockwise, it'll get released. So okay, now the old one is ready to be removed. So this is what we had to free up. There's the old one. Grody. Clean that up. And then we'll prepare the new one. Okay, so we have that cleaned up. We have our new faucet. I put some plumber's tape around it, Teflon tape. It doesn't take much. There's a gasket for both sides, so put that on. We have our drain plug doohickey thingamajigger. Now, even though the replacement faucet is very, very similar to this one, the drain plug is silver, and the one that came with the new faucet is brass, so we're not going to be changing that out. If you were to change that out, you would remove your P-trap, and you would remove this right here, right? Just pop it out, put the new one in. You're going to want to get some plumber's putty or silicone and put a little bead under here before you insert it. and then when you tighten it down, it'll have a nice good seal. This, I'm going to put a small bead of silicone around the inside of this lip, just a tiny little thin one just to seal it. Hopefully it won't, you know, squish out. If it does, you just take a wet rag and clean it up. But make sure that what you use is waterproof and clear, because you don't want white caulk. Okay, it's on there. I'm pretty pleased with how it looks. Now we're just gonna drop it in. Now you take your replacement plastic nuts, these nuts, and tighten it down. Do not over tighten. You do not want to crack the plastic. Okay, now that these are nice and snug, we are going to reconnect the water lines before we add the drain plug handle, so it's out of the way. It'll be easier this way. Okay, water supply is connected up here. Now I'm going to drop the drain plug line and reconnect it right there. Okay, the new drain plug handle is connected. Now we have to connect it here. There was no plumber's tape on this thing, but I like to be thorough, so I'm going to do that. It doesn't take much, just once or twice around, and then connect it. Okay guys, turn your water on and look for leaks. Good. Okay, I'm going to close it. Close it. I'm going to open up the hot and the cold. Okay. Just a little bit, not wide open. And then I'm going to turn it back on. Slowly, because you got to press all that air out, right? Cold. Okay. I can see a little bit of the silicone right under there. Not too bad. So once that dries, it'll be nice and clear, tight. Looks good. Nice and nice. Look there. Well, let's look under here. Make sure everything's dry. On the top. Nice and nice. Good job, guys.